In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Extensions Toolbar Menu in Chrome. If you want quicker access to your browser extensions and a cleaner way to manage what appears in your Chrome toolbar, this setting can be very helpful. We'll go through the process step by step so you can turn it on smoothly and make sure Chrome applies the change correctly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular Chrome window and ready to type into the address bar at the top. This process only takes a moment, but it does involve changing an experimental browser setting, so it's important to follow each step carefully. Next, click into the address bar, type Chrome/flags, and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's experiments page. The flags page contains advanced and experimental features that aren't always enabled by default. Since these options can affect how Chrome behaves, it's a good idea to only change the setting you actually need. Once the experiments page opens, look for the search box near the top of the screen. In that search field, type Extensions Toolbar Menu. This will filter the available flags and help you quickly locate the exact setting without scrolling through a long list of features. When you see the result for Extensions Toolbar Menu, find the drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down and select Enabled. By turning this option on, you're telling Chrome to activate the Extensions Toolbar Menu feature, which helps organize your extensions in a more manageable way. After you select Enabled, Chrome will usually display a relaunch button near the bottom of the window. Go ahead and click Relaunch to restart the browser. This step is necessary because Chrome needs to relaunch before the new setting can take effect. If you have important tabs open, it's always smart to make sure your work is saved before restarting, just in case. Once Chrome opens again, the change should be active. At that point, the Extensions Toolbar menu should be enabled, giving you a dedicated place to access and manage your installed extensions more easily. And that's it. As long as you followed those steps in order: opening Chrome, going to the flags page, searching for the feature, enabling it, and relaunching the browser, you should now have the Extensions Toolbar menu turned on in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.